Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael of Lomash Confectionery. Today we'll be learning how to make fried meat pie. Yes, I know it sounds strange, but yeah, we are making fried meat pie. So here I have my ingredients, my meat, onion, pepper, corn flour, Irish potato, my spices, um the meat. I have the salt, cube, kitchen glory, and all that. So in a pot, I want to start making my what's it called now? The filling. So in a pot, I added my groundnut oil, added onion, then allow it to fry a little, then add my beef. Yeah, then I'm going to add the seasoning cube. I used no here, and then salt. The spices I used the kitchen glory and Benny. Then pepper. I add pepper to my filling because I don't want anybody feeling like they want to throw up. So I add a little pepper, added water, and Irish potato. Then the carrot. Just add everything together, turn them. If you don't want to add at the same time, you can boil your meat first and then add the rest. Then cover. I came to check it to see if they have cooked. So I'm adding more stock because the other stock didn't come out well. So more stock. Please check for stock, is really important. Then this is me adding my thickener. The thickener is just corn flour melted in water. That's my thickener. And here we are all good to go. So turn off my gas and then allow it to get cold. So in a clean table, I have my flour in a bowl. I have my flour, add in my margarine. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also tell me the next video you want me to record. So I'll mix everything, the flour and the margarine till combine. Then I'll add water, then mix them together. I'll mix on a clean surface until they are thoroughly combined, but please don't over mix it. We don't want it the gluten or it being stretchy. So when you are done, put it in your freezer or fridge for like an hour or so it's not stretchy. We don't want our dough to be stretchy. So I'm going to cut in line into pieces the quantity I need. Then I will roll out. I love rolling my meat pie really thin. I don't like having a lot of dough in them. So I'll add my fillings. Yeah, so after adding my filling, the next thing I will do is cut off. And yep, here's my meat pie. Is you can use your hand and seal the mouth if it's not sealed. Cut as much as you can, then we'll start frying it. So make sure your oil is deep, like we are deep frying it, and make sure it's hot. Then we'll start putting and frying. All right, look at the frying ongoing here. So how many of you have eaten um fried what meat pie before? This was my first time ever. I saw it somewhere and I said, wow, I'm going to try it. So what's funny was that my kids loved it. They really, really do love it. And I'm sure you too will love it. Allow them to brown very well. Look at it, looking all nice, all nice. Ignore my voice. Hamatan is really dealing with me. Plus, I have mild cough and catarrh. So, but this video has to go out, you know. So look at them all fried and looking nice. Yay. So you can step it down with Coke, Pepsi, yogurt, Zobo. Oh, I tell you, this is really delicious. Really, really delicious. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button to know when I post. Tell me the next video you want me to do. I love you guys. Thank you.